Good day everyone. I want to talk about what is required of you once you have signed up using your either Facebook account or your Gmail account. Once you have signed up, look at my dashboard. You just go to look at the time to roll, go to free. Once you go to free, you click on rolling. Once you click on rolling, then the next thing is to go to what? Go to your smart contract. Go to a smart contract, either you take it or you take risky own. Once you take risky own, you see you have to sign up and sign smart contract every day. If not, you will forfeit some grams. So you take the risky own. After you have signed the risky contract, the next thing that is required of you is to go to your videos. You see, as you can see, there are 5 videos here to watch every day. There are 5 videos. These are the 3 things, and the 4th one is what? Lottery. If you are lucky, you can win grams. As you can see, you come to this place and click buy. Once you buy, and if you are lucky, you'll be able to win. If you are not lucky, you will not win. But advice, do it. These are the things that are required for you to do. And once you keep on doing, in the next 3 to 4 months, you'll be able to get up to that amount. Thank you.